We have lost something like 3 billion birds since the 1970s, which is almost a 30% loss from the 70s. All or almost all glass are obstacles to birds. The most popular options are dots or stripes, either vertically or horizontal. My name is Mike Kinsey. I am the president at Scottish Window Tinting. Bird strike prevention film is a film that puts a pattern on the outside of the glass to disrupt the reflection of the glass. Birds hit the glass because they see one of several things reflected in the glass: sky, trees, or maybe even rival birds. Commercial buildings that are all or almost all glass are obstacles to birds, often because the birds see through the other side of the building and don't see an obstruction. This is called fly-through glass. This can happen in commercial or residential buildings. The bird strike prevention film patterns are designed in a 2-inch grid specifically to prevent birds from striking the glass. Birds are aware of their wingspans and do not like flying through obstacles, so they will avoid the glass. The most popular options are dots or stripes, either vertically or horizontal. Typically, people know what side of the building or home birds are striking. It is very loud. They often have dead or dying birds on the exterior. There really isn't a side that is higher risk than the other. Bird strike prevention films are effective because they put a pattern on the glass so a bird can see there's an obstruction to avoid colliding with the glass. Most bird strikes happen in the fall during their migration periods. We have lost something like 3 billion birds since the 1970s, which is almost a 30% loss from the 70s. Benefits to building owners: they don't have to have the trauma of birds hitting the glass, cleaning up dead or dying birds. Commercial building owners may be able to advertise that they are bird friendly, but most importantly, I think we're just helping birds in general.